Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can make your complete iPhone's font bolder. So for that you'll first have to go to the settings of your iPhone over here and then click on this accessibility over here. And now here you'll have to search for the option display and text size. And now over here it will be written bold text. Now if it is toggled off, now look at the changes. If it is toggled off, look at the font. It is not bold and just like simple text, but if you click on bold text, the text will be bolder size. Now you can even change the text size, like make them bigger or even smaller depending on whatever you want. And then you can go back and you can even change the button shapes, like you can realize like over here it's written back and you can just now they are just underlined. And now on and off labels, like they're going to be, now look at this, they're going to be a circle over here when you click on this next circle, and one if it is on. And now you can reduce transparency. So what it does is that if something's transparent, so it's just not going to let it be. And increase contrast is a very different one, so you can just check it according to whatever you want. So that is how you can change your font sizes on iPhone and even make it bolder. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.